XRP Ripple coin holders. My friends, this is the big news of the XRP, and today is the last day of the month, so it is the last news of the XRP Ripple coin. What's the price of XRP? What's the changes goes in this time in XRP? This video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, my friends, this time the changes occur in the XRP is negative. You can see here that the last 1 hour, last 60-minute price of the XRP is falls down. Negative 1.74% the price of the XRP is going down. So at this time, a lot of people message me on Instagram, on Telegram, that what should we do at this time. My friends, people are so crazy today. You know what, it is the last day of the month, so maybe there is a possibility some coin take a huge pump, some coin falls down very badly. My friends, don't worry about the falls. And you know what, as I predicated XRP Ripple coin that they will take a huge pump in the July, my friends. To the whole July month, the changes of XRP will be positive, my friends. That is my prediction about XRP. I also share my prediction in my previous videos, but again I'm telling you that please don't lose hope and buy more and more XRP Ripple coin, because now you can see the current price of the XRP is low. 0.673145 USD dollar is the current price of the XRP. So buy more and more XRP Ripple coin. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Subscribe channel.